Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are back with another daily upload, I guess you could call this, and we are basically just going for a dub, but it's gonna be kind of a challenge because we're only going shotguns only. So let's see what we can do. Let's get the dub real quick. Shotguns only. Boom. See that guy? He has a shotgun. That's gonna be mine soon. And we can get heals and stuff from the kills. We could get like the heals from them and the materials, just not guns, unless it's a better shotgun. Unless it's shotgun. You know what? Shotguns. Okay. Okay then. I'm not really happy with that kill. He was such a bot. I don't know how I feel about that one. Well, I think we're gonna need as much heals as we can since I can only carry this, and we're gonna have to have our fights up close, you know, very up close. Why did I try reloading? Laser. Dude, this kid just stole my kill so bad. Can you? We need to take these minis. And quick, cause that guy's coming for us. I don't like it. No! You're so bad, kid. Your parents don't love you. Freaking headshot for 90. And if y'all got any ideas, like, for a challenge, just let me know in the comments and I'll do them. Oh, that 100! Bruce Lee. Get absolutely clapped on, kid. Because you're not Bruce Lee. I say we another hot drop it at the agency. We need to find a good shotgun. If we can't find a shotgun, and why is it still giving me this stuff for the umbrella? Oh, bet. Green tack off spawn. This would be good in a regular game. Right now, this is good for my challenge. Why are you running? I'm out of pit. What was that kid doing? My accuracy. We're not gonna talk about it. Don't mind the thumbnail of the last video of bruh, you know, just it's fine, right? I say we could land. Where's the best spot we have a chance of getting a shot? Maybe right here. Oh yes, let's go rush some kids because if we need kills, we need to get. Well, you know what? We're gonna make this video harder. We're gonna have to get 5 kills and a dub. Oh my god, bro. Ah! Osama bin Laden, Jesus. Bro, leave me alone! You're not good, kid! Running at that 50 ping, as you can tell. Oh, never mind. I went up. We need to land. Where do we need to land? What are you wearing, bro? What is your glider name? Ew, disgusting. Can you, shotgun? Question mark? Shotgun? Question mark? You know what? These count. Screw it. Proximity mine. All over the place. I'm goated. I'm so goated. No one's better than me. No one. Straight up no one. Ninja. Who? That was goated. You see how goated I am? Bro, you're such a weirdo. Stop, dude. You're being weird, bro. You're bad at the game anyways.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Alrighty, last game, guys. We need to catch the dub. We need to land on a shotgun. Oh my god. What is this guy doing? Please leave. Leave. Oh. Do these count? Oh, we're gonna count them. No! My aim's so bad! Okay. One more. Alrighty, guys. Well, hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.